2019 Audi Q7 redesign - 2019 Audi Q7 release date, 2019 Audi Q7 diesel, 2019 Audi Q7 e-tron, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Audi brand. The title of an article we take is 2019 Audi Q7 redesign - 2019 Audi Q7 release date, 2019 Audi Q7 diesel, 2019 Audi Q7 e-tron, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Audi Q7 redesign - 2019 Audi Q7 release date, 2019 Audi Q7 diesel, 2019 Audi Q7 e-tron, new cars by. The Audi Q7 is the brand's flagship SUV which is now in the second generation. The new gen model has arrived in 2017 when it has featured significantly lighter chassis, advanced technology, and more luxurious styling. The 2018 model year has also brought some upgrades in the tech department while the newest 2019 Audi Q7 should arrive pretty much the same as the current model. The Audi Q7 has been all new for the 2017 model year. It has undergone a significant weight reduction of around 500 pounds. This majorly affected improved fuel efficiency, driving dynamics, and better performance of the vehicle. The carmaker has also introduced a new 4-cylinder engine for the base model which has decreased its starting price. Furthermore, the current 2018 model year has gotten Audi Advanced Key as standard so as the 3D Bose surround sound system in the Premium Plus trim. So, since it is still competitive and fresh, the 2019 Audi Q7 will most likely remain unchanged from the current model. Perhaps it could get even more standard equipment, but for now, there isn't any specific information. Powertrain and performance of the 2019 Audi Q7. The 2019 Audi Q7 will be available with two engine options. The base is a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine which is able to generate 252 horses and the torque of 272 lb-ft. This unit can reach 60 miles per hour in 7.1 seconds. The second option is a 3.0-liter V6 supercharged engine. This one can deliver 333 horses and 325 pound-feet of torque. It is able to hit 60 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds. Both engines will be paired with an 8-speed automatic gearbox and the all-wheel drive system will be standard. As for the fuel efficiency, the first one gets 19 mpg in the city and 25 mpg on the highway. The V6 is rated the same. Design of exterior and interior. The exterior styling of the 2019 Audi Q7 will remain the same and it is characterized by clean design and well-proportioned body. The front end looks bold and features edgier lines. It is dominated by the wide single-frame grille and prominent headlamps. They are equipped with xenon lighting in the base trim while the LED units are standard in the Prestige trim. On the rear end, there will be twin exhaust outlets which will give it a sportier appearance. The interior of the 2019 Audi Q7 provides the room for 5 passengers with plenty of head and leg room in the 2-row seating configuration. However, it is also available with a 3rd row which is most suitable for children or smaller adults. Furthermore, it is highlighted by premium materials, standard leather upholstery, and advanced equipment. The dashboard features a 7.0-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system. All the models come with a rear-view camera, power front seats, a panoramic moonroof, a power folding 3rd row, keyless ignition, and so on. The higher trims will add Bose audio, LED interior lights, navigation, Apple CarPlay etc. Release date and price. It is still not officially confirmed when the 2019 Audi Q7 will go on sale. Its price should start at around $51,000 and will go up to $90,000. Thanks.